Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it could be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
Okay, so in this video, I'm going to reveal the 3 easiest ways for newbies to start in affiliate marketing, plus some bonuses. Hello, please don't skip ahead in this video. I will reveal some bonuses somewhere in this video, so pay attention. You may nearly have everything at your fingertips with the help of the internet. With only a few clicks, you can access thousands, if not millions of bits of data and information on practically any topic. The internet continues to cause drastic changes in many aspects of human efforts, including commerce, as the years pass. According to experts, the information space, sometimes known as the World Wide Web, is growing by over 1 million pages every day as more people use the internet for information, education, entertainment, and commerce, and other personal reasons. It doesn't take a business-savvy person to see how this occurrence might result in massive financial rewards. The internet's rapid rise in popularity in recent years has created a business opportunity that no entrepreneur should pass up. You might believe that only business people can make a lot of money on the internet, don't you? Well, reconsider your position on that. Even if you don't have things to offer or a high profile and established firm, you can make a lot of money on the internet. How? Well, it's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a revenue sharing model in which a merchant pays an affiliate for suggesting or promoting the merchant's products and services. It is currently one of the fastest growing industries because it has been proven to be a cost-effective, quantifiable means of generating significant profits for both the merchant and the affiliate, as well as other affiliate program participants, such as the affiliate network or affiliate solution provider. The merchant and the affiliate both benefit from affiliate marketing. First, he or she obtains the ability to advertise his items to a bigger market, increasing his earnings potential. He can expect bigger sales. Same with her. If they acquire more affiliate websites or hardworking affiliates, they can expect bigger sales. By getting affiliates to market his or her products and services, that person is saving themselves time, effort, and money in looking for possible markets and customers. When a client clicks on the link in the affiliate website, purchases a product, recommends it to others who are looking for the same item, or buys it again, the merchant multiplies his chances of earning. On the other hand, the affiliate marketer benefits from each customer who clicks on that link in their website and who actually purchases a product or avails the service provided by the merchant. In most cases, the affiliate gets commission per sale, which can be a fixed percentage or fixed amount. If you want to be an affiliate marketer and make the fortunes out of the internet, you may follow the following 3 most basic and easiest ways to start an effective affiliate marketing program. First is to identify a particular thing you're interested in or passionate about, so you won't be bored and forced to develop your affiliate website later on. Focusing on a specific area you know very well will help you bring out your best without much risk and effort. You can add a personal touch to your site and give your visitors who are possible buyers an impression that you are an expert in your field. In this way, you gain their trust and eventually encourage them to buy the products you endorse. Next is to look for good-paying merchants and products or services related to your interest and create a brand new website with your stuff on it. In choosing the products, you must also consider its conversion rates. Here's a secret bonus: an affiliate website that has niches galore. I will give you a link up above. It should be shown somewhere in this video right 2, 3, now. You can click on it and go to the next video where I reveal this site. If you already have a niche and you're in it, you know everything about it, the next link above will reveal where to get some great affiliate offers from many companies in many types of niches, and those companies are very well known. So that's it for today's lesson. Please comment and like and share this video with everyone you know and on social media. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you can get push notifications every single time I put up a new video. Thanks for watching. See ya, and go make some money now.
Coming up.